Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So for today's video, we're about to do an install and styling for MyfirstWig.com, and I want to show you guys what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. So the wig that we are working with is a kinky straight unit. It is a side part, pre-plucked everything. Like, look at this lace straight out of the package. Like, it's pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It's a side part. It comes with an adjustable strap on the inside, invisible lace. It is a 13x6 frontal, and I got it in 16 inches. So we're trying to have like a fresh blowout and almost like a perm look. Like, the texture is super natural. And I need you to see this hairline. Like, need to pluck weird. I don't need to do anything extra to this frontal because of how well and natural the front is. So we're gonna go in with our hot comb so that we can lay the front just a tad bit more. I want it to lay down. I want this to look like it's coming straight out of my scalp. I want people to see me on the street and be like, girl, your hair is beautiful. Like, what is your regimen? Like, I need this to look as realistic as possible, and by using a hot comb, girl, this is your best friend to prevent your wig from looking like an actual wig. Trust and believe. Now we're gonna go with the natural side part of this unit. Instead of, I was thinking about doing a center part, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do the side part with this since it is advertised as having a side part with the wig that I selected. So I'm just cleaning up my parts, and then we're gonna go in with a hot comb once again. So because of the texture of this hair, the back is gonna be kind of high and I need it to be low. So we're gonna go in with the hot comb once we part the hair, and then I'm going to use a flat iron. I'm not expecting this hair to be silky straight because it is a kinky texture. I don't mind it being kinky texture, but we're just trying to uniform it a bit. So you don't have to worry if the flat iron isn't letting it look like super silky. Remember, this is the texture of the hair. So I just did a quick run through with the flat iron, and then I go in once more with the hot comb because I need it to be flat. So this is what it is looking like. Even though this is invisible lace, I need it to match my natural complexion, especially when I wear makeup. If I'm going out with my wigs and stuff, I use this tint mousse, this lace tint mousse, perfection. So I just swipe that all around, and then I take my blow dryer and I dry that in, and it dries under a minute, and the lace looks like scalp. Like, it looks like my complexion. And I got so lucky finding this color lace tint because, girl, it has been my go-to. Like, look at that lace, look at that color, like, gorgeous. Now it is time to install. Now I'm wearing an old silk press, and I didn't feel like cornering my hair, so I just put it in a little center part bun, and then I'm gonna flip the hair over, and instantly I look at this lace and I like gasp. I'm like, girl, what the actual hell? Like, this hair, the lace is giving everything I needed to give, because look how natural that is straight out of the box, just with my little lace tint and my hot comb, and we are ready to go. So you can wear this wig glueless if you wish to. Stellar, like, laid down. Like, I haven't done anything yet and the hair is laid down. Now my only thing is, like, we need the sides to cooperate. So you can use, I think they have this side tape thing that you can use for your lace now, but I have a love-hate relationship with them because then it makes the wig look wiggy. So I suggest you could use mousse and then create like a little sideburn on the side to hold down the lace if you don't want to go in with any extra spray or anything extra like that. So I recommend mousse if you want to wear it glueless but still have it molded down. So what I like to do is cut around the ear so that the hair can lay on the sides. Like, I need it to go behind my ear if I wish to, if I want to put it in a half up, half down, like all that good stuff. So once everything is aligned, we're gonna go in with the mousse. Now this is a pre-melt, so the mousse won't give you like a melt per se, but it will give the look of a melt, and that is what I want. So I go in with the mousse and I brush the hair back in the front, and then I just dab it all over, and then we're gonna tie that down for, say, like a couple of minutes until it's dried or somewhat dried. And like I said, this is a pre-melt, so the sides won't lay just yet because we didn't do anything extra for it to lace. But if you wear a glueless wig and it actually lies down on the sides and you just use mousse, girl, the best thing ever. So now I create my little sideburns, and I'm like, you know what, I need this thing to lay down. So I just spray a little bit of lace spray on the sideburns so that they could stay in place. That's pretty much it for the sides. I'm not going to do anything to the front in terms of like adding a lace spray or anything like that. No, just straight mousse. I just need my sides to lay down, and then I create a little soup to do, because with a side part, I love a little soup. It's just the little extra for me personally, so I always do the little soups on the side. So we're gonna do it light. It doesn't have to be anything extra. And I use the lace spray to do this, or I use mousse. You can use either depending on how well you want it to lay down. I'm just creating a little bit of layer in the front, nothing crazy, but I just needed to frame my face a bit. And then I tie that down once I change my clothes, or just tie down for a couple of minutes so that the mousse can dry down, the lace spray can dry down. And this is the final look. Like, absolutely loving. This is looking so freaking natural, and it's the lace and the hair. There was no shedding with the hair. It's lightweight, even though it looks full. It is super lightweight. There was no shedding. Love it. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of bronzing powder just to clean up my part a bit and just make sure that everything's uniform and the look is complete. Now let me know what you guys think about the unit. All the details will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow for more, and I love you guys so much for watching. Go and big up on yourself. Bye guys.